When you feel broken. When life feels heavier than you can carry. When the world around you seems to move forward while you stay stuck in the same place. I want you to stop for a moment and listen. Life was never designed to be smooth. It was never designed to be fair. Life shapes you through pressure. Life strengthens you through pain. Life teaches you through loss. And sometimes, life brings you to your knees. Not because you're weak, but because it's the only position from which you can rise stronger. There are days you wake up already tired. Days when you smile, but the smile feels borrowed. Days when you want to scream, but nothing comes out. You walk around wearing the mask of, "I'm fine." Yet every night, when the world goes quiet, your thoughts get loud. You lie there, staring at the ceiling, and the fear creeps in. The doubts crawl out from the shadows. The silence becomes heavier. And the future? The future feels like a dark hallway with no visible end. And that fear? It doesn't just visit you. It paralyzes you. It whispers the worst scenarios into your mind. It makes you question your worth, your strength, your purpose, your identity. But let me tell you something you may have forgotten. Fear is a liar. Pain is a teacher. And you are far stronger than you think. Tell me something. Do you still have even 1% of hope left inside you? Because you don't need the whole fire. You just need one spark. One spark is enough to start a comeback. There will be a time in your life when everything collapses at once. Your plans fail, your circle shrinks, your confidence cracks, and suddenly, you're fighting battles no one knows about. You're hurting in places you can't describe. You feel broken in ways that words can't explain. But that's the moment, the exact moment, where your story can change. You can accept the fall, or you can stand up and fight for your life again. Start, not because you feel ready, but because staying where you are is destroying you. Start, even if you're crawling. Start, even if your voice shakes when you say, "I'm trying." Start, because every step you take while you're scared is a step that builds a version of you that fear can't control anymore. Falling is guaranteed. Pain is guaranteed. Disappointment is guaranteed. But defeat? Defeat only happens when you choose not to rise. Whatever storm you're facing right now, it didn't come to last. It came to pass. It came to awaken the strength inside you. It came to show you the parts of yourself you forgot existed. Sometimes, you must step back, not to give up, but to reset, to breathe again, to reconnect with your purpose, to align yourself with who you truly are. Pull away from the noise. Pull away from the pressure. Clear your mind, and then return with clarity and fire. Don't make decisions while your heart is overwhelmed. Don't let temporary emotions build permanent walls. Your emotions can guide you, but they should never dominate you. Because if you don't discipline your mind will discipline you. If you don't control your thoughts will control your destiny. Negativity requires no effort. It grows on its own. Pain repeats itself naturally. Doubt walks in uninvited. But greatness must be crafted. Greatness must be carved out of discomfort. Greatness must be chosen, especially when everything around you tells you to quit. Everyone wants success. Everyone wants strength. Everyone wants the crown. But very few want the pressure that creates the crown. Pressure turns coal into diamonds. Pressure reveals authenticity. Pressure transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's not about talent. It's not about luck. It's not about who had the easiest path. It's about who's willing to keep going. After life hits them with everything it's got, and the battles are coming, the setbacks are coming, the heartbreaks, the failures, the silent nights, the lonely mornings. They're all part of the journey. But make this decision today. Make it before the next battle even arrives. I will win. I will rise. I will survive. I will not be broken permanently. Don't cry to quit. Cry to continue. You're already in pain. You're already tired. So get something out of every tear. Use the hurt as fuel. Use the pressure as fire. Use the darkness as the place you regroup before stepping into the light again. When depression hits you from nowhere, you tell yourself, "I will not break. I will not surrender. I will not disappear into the pain." No one has the right to write your ending. No one can predict your comeback. No one can measure the possibilities inside you, because not even you have seen your final form yet. If you're willing to sacrifice, if you're willing to fight, if you're willing to believe in yourself even when it hurts, then no force on this earth can stop you. As long as you're breathing, you still have purpose. As long as you're waking up, you still have fight. As long as your heart is beating, your story is not over. Stand up. Wipe your tears. Collect yourself. Walk back into your life with a new fire inside you. You may feel broken, but you are not finished. You may feel exhausted, but you are not defeated. As long as there is breath in your lungs, you are still in the game. You can still win, and your comeback can still begin today. So get up and keep going, no matter what.